I had 6 debts, no idea which to pay first, and I was making the minimum payment on all of them and going nowhere. The Snowball method gave me a clear order, a first win within 60 days, and 4 of those debts gone in 18 months. List all your debts from smallest balance to largest. Pay the minimum on everything except the smallest debt. Attack that smallest debt with every extra dollar you can find. Your first payoff comes fast and creates real momentum. Each win makes the next attack feel achievable. Behavior and motivation matter more than the math here. Every credit card, medical bill, personal loan, and car payment. Write the balance, minimum payment, and interest rate for each. Sort them smallest balance to largest, ignore the interest rate for now. Even an extra $50 a month accelerates the snowball significantly. Sell something, cancel a subscription, pick up one extra shift. The snowball only rolls when you actively feed it. When debt 1 is gone, add its payment to what you pay on debt 2. Your payment amount grows while the debt shrinks faster and faster. Each payoff makes the next one happen sooner. It compounds. The free debt payoff tracker in the description maps out exactly this system, so you can see your payoff date before you even start. Link is below. New money tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.